Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 62, Prizes. A teacher told the class that she would be giving a prize to the 10 best students at the end of the day. The 10 prizes were placed in a box for safekeeping. At the end of the day, each of the 10 students received a prize. However, there was one prize left in the box. How is that possible if every student received a prize? So this is a very interesting little problem. It'll test your lateral thinking skills, your problem-solving skills. So please have a think about it and leave it on this slide for a few minutes, because if you're having a little bit of trouble, a clue will be given on the next slide in a few minutes. But please don't spoil it. Try and solve it yourself first, and I promise in a few minutes I'll go to the next slide and I'll give you a clue. Okay, as promised, I'll go on the next slide now. So if you're having a little bit of trouble, here is the clue. The hint: focus on the words, each of the 10 students received a prize. So that's the only hint I'll give you. Each of the 10 students received a prize. That's really important. Now in exactly 2 minutes, I'll go to the next slide and reveal the answer if you're having trouble. But please try and solve it yourself. Okay, as promised, here is the answer. I hope you solved it, but if you had a little bit of trouble, here's the answer. Answer. The 10th student was allowed to take the prize home in the box. And that's why one of the prizes remained in the box, because the student could take it home in the box. I hope you enjoyed that puzzle. Very satisfying if you can solve these. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. And I'll have plenty of more puzzles, so good luck with it. And here we go.